Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing and review of my 4K digital camera. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So I am going to open this box and review what's inside the box, and then we shall continue from there. Okay, so guys, I just took it out of the packaging, and here we have the cleaning cloth. This is the manual, the user manual. Here we have our USB cable. This is the HD cable. This is the camera lens cover. This is the strap for holding the camera. This is the camera cloth that it came with. This is a string cloth, very beautiful. And this is the actual camera. So this is how it comes. And here we have the switch on button and the shutter button. I don't know what this is, so please let me know in the comment section below. This is actually my first time having a camera. Okay, so it comes with a 16 times zoom and an autofocus lens, and this is a 48 megapixel camera. It can open and flip to 180 degrees, but it can't turn over. So if you open it, it'll be like you can use it to take like a selfie video or a picture, but if you close it, you can just use it to take videos that is not selfie. So these are all the controls that we have. We'll go over them later. So over here, this is where you can plug in your mic, your USB and your HD cables. Mic, USB and HD cables as it's written over here. And it also comes with a flash. You can use flash with it. Then over here is where you can insert your SD card. There's no SD card right now, so I doubt I'll be able to take any video or picture until I insert an SD card. And here you can install it on your tripod. This is where you can fix in your tripod. And over here, this is where the battery resides. So let's open that up. This is the battery. It already came with a battery inside. Yeah, this is it. I've already charged it, so 100% charged. So let us switch it on. I have a link to, just in case you're interested in this camera, and it's very affordable. I have a link in the description box as to where I got it. I'll have a link to my Amazon and also AliExpress. But I actually got this particular one from AliExpress. I think the one on Amazon has more stuff, like it can come with 2 batteries, but mine came with only 1 battery. So yeah, so let us switch this on. It says welcome and it's unbranded. This is 4K. It's a 4K camera. So, and it's very sharp. you can see, this video is not even doing justice to how sharp the camera is. So once I insert memory card, I will take a couple of pictures and videos and show you. Okay, so let me put on the shooter button. See, it says no card, so I'm not able to take any picture or video. Now let's go over to the mode section. Let's click on the menu. So under the menu there are different sets. We are under the different mode sets. This we're under the camera section, resolution, beauty, shooting, timer, exposure, white balance, quality. So different settings, as you can see. Then we switch on, can go back to this is the video section, mode sets, video, there you can set your video. The other one I showed you was for picture. This is video setting. So we don't have time to go over all of these settings, but I'll take a couple of pictures and show you how it came out. So yeah, we're under the video section now. As you can see, this shows that it's video set, and look at it, is 4K. I'm not able to do any video because there's no memory card. So once I insert a memory card, I'll do some pictures and videos and then show you. So if this video has been helpful to you, you want to purchase your own camera, go ahead and do so. The camera is very good. It doesn't feel like, even though it's affordable, it doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't look cheap at all. Go ahead, click the link in the description box and get yours. Okay, don't forget my links are affiliate links, so please, if you want to help me support my videos, help me to create more useful videos for you, you can go ahead and click on the link to purchase. There will be no extra cost for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.